my god. Hey guys, it is X. Welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, I already started cooking and then I remembered that I've been wanting to film this recipe for a while now. I learned this recipe when I was 14 years old from my 12-year-old sister. Yeah, you heard me right. My 12-year-old sister taught me how to make this. I believe my dad was living in Missouri at the time, and I think they were like working, so my little sister was cooking for us. You guys, I suck at cooking. I'm not great at it. So she actually taught me how to make this. It is very quick and easy to make. I don't even know what to call it. It is shrimp pasta with cream of mushroom soup. So I'm going to clean my camera real quick because it kind of looks fuzzy, and then I will show you the ingredients. Alright, I feel like that is way better. So what you're going to need for this recipe is Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. Probably like a half a pound of shrimp that is tail off. I buy this one from Vons. Sometimes you can get it for $15. Sorry, like I was already almost done with this recipe when I started cooking, and then I realized that I should be filming this. Let me see, I made a mess over here because that was all wet. So yeah, and then you're gonna need pasta. So this is the pasta that I use. I actually like angel hair better, but they didn't have any, so oh well. And all you basically do is you're going to fry your shrimp, not fry your shrimp, guess grill your shrimp, cook your shrimp, whatever. All I did was add salt and pepper. That is it. I do have a lot more extra shrimp from the bag because the bag is really big. So I'm going to actually cook that shrimp separately and make that for a different recipe later. Basically, my shrimp is already done, and then I'm cooking my pasta. So I'll kind of show you what's going on here. Basically, I'm boiling my water with my pasta, and my shrimp is done. All right, so now that my shrimp is done, I'm going to take my pasta and strain it. I never know how much to like technically make. So I want to say I grab about this much pasta. I'm also cooking for myself. Not really a big fan of leftovers, so I am going to just open this can, put this into my pot. These are my shrimpies. So yeah, I'm going to empty this into the pot. Do you guys have a good angle here? Probably not the best flattering, whatever. So yeah, just empty as much as I can out. This is pretty thick. Not all of it comes out. Sometimes I'll add water just to get like the rest of this out because it's pretty chunky. But I'm not in the mood today, so I'm not gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna add the pasta back in. All right, switching angles back again. Sorry, excuse me while I cook this shrimp for later. Like I said, I'm cooking this extra shrimp that I had for a different time. I love lemon pepper shrimp, so I'm just kind of making the rest of it. That is a pretty big bag, but I've had it in the fridge for a couple days, and I'm scared that my shrimp are gonna go bad if I don't cook it today. So anyway, back to the soup. You guys, I know I'm not supposed to be using this fork, and I have a really bad habit of doing that, but I just don't like, I don't know, using anything else. This is just so much easier. I try not to scrape the bottom of the pot. But yeah, basically I just put it back on the stove, heat up the saucy portion of the soup with the pasta, and just kind of mix it. And now I'm going to add my shrimp back into the pasta. Hopefully those don't fall out. Ah, perfect. No shrimp was lost. And yeah, so I just continue to mix it. Let me lower the heat because it is pretty bubbly. And that is basically it. I really like this recipe. I think it is quick and easy. I think it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to prepare, if that. I mean, I feel like pasta is one of the easiest things you can make. Italians don't come for me. And that is pretty much it. I will put it on a plate and serve it for you guys to see. Here's just a quick overview of what it looks like in the pot. Okay, and this is basically what it looks like. I am going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I think this video is probably gonna be like 5 minutes long, but thanks. See you in my next one. Bye.